Common dog tail problems. 3 common dog tail problems that could affect your dog. Certain canine extremities often tend to get a good deal of attention. For example, most people understand dog paw and ear care's significance. But what about that wagging tail? Many people overlook common dog tail issues. While they occur less frequently than many other health concerns, problems with your dog's tail can occur. Any source of discomfort or pain should be addressed as soon as possible. It's not just for your dog's sake. Any pain interferes with your dog's ability to concentrate on and complete important tasks. So, here's a quick rundown of some common dog tail issues to be aware of and on the lookout for. Skin infections on the tail. Your dog's tail has thin skin that is vulnerable to cuts, punctures, and other superficial wounds. They can happen in a variety of ways. If your dog interacts with other dogs at the dog park during off hours, a nip on the tail may break the skin. Fleas, allergies, or plain itching can cause scratching, leading to an open cut. Regardless, it doesn't take long for a bacterial infection to take hold of the tail. Redness, swelling, itchiness, crusting, pustules, raised lesions, discharge, or hair loss are typical skin infection symptoms. Schedule an appointment with your veterinarian if you notice any of these symptoms. Treatment usually entails a course of topical antibiotics, though oral antibiotics are sometimes prescribed as well. Tail sprains. Yes, your dog's tail can be sprained or strained. It's usually an overuse injury. Swimming dogs are especially vulnerable due to their rudder motion with their tail in the water. The muscles, joints, and ligaments in the tail become tired and weak, causing pain. This often results in the tail hanging limp. Make an appointment with your veterinarian if you notice your dog's tail just hanging there with no wagging. Treatment may entail immobilizing the tail to allow it to rest and heal. Anti-inflammatory medications are frequently used to treat pain and swelling. Tail trauma. When a dog's tail is injured, it can suffer from bruises, blood vessel damage, nerve damage, breaks, and dislocations, among other things. Some dogs wag their tails so frequently and with such force that they injure themselves by whacking into hard objects or corners. Trauma can occur if the tail is yanked or twisted, something heavy is placed on the tail, or the tail falls. Tails are also vulnerable to being stepped on or run over by a vehicle, wheelchair, or scooter. If you notice your dog isn't moving her tail or appears to be holding it in an unusual position, pawing at it, or acting as if it hurts, it's time to take her to the vet. Some traumas are more severe than others, and treatment and recovery time are determined by the nature and severity of the injury.